We're in a field that has been had the RT850 ran through it, and it was 2 weeks ago that this tillage was done on this field. So we've come back and we want to just take an example. I've dug out around 2 of the tooth marks here and here where it's gone, and I've left the one in the middle the way it is. I want to illustrate by pouring water into this middle one to see if we get any transfer through cracks in the ground from the tillage process or not. So I'll just fill some water into this hole here, and I'll pour it in slowly, and I'll wait and see. And here we can see water coming through on this side over here. And it's quite a bit below where the grade level is. You see it coming through there's a common crack through the soil that this is allowed to drain into, that coming through that spot. So we pour water into this hole, and you can see that it's migrating through into this other hole. So there's been enough movement of dirt in there to allow for a crevice to transfer water from pocket to pocket if it need be. We take this big clump out of the way here, and you see that it's not flowing over ground, it's flowing underneath the soil right through here. So it's just an illustration of what can happen when you have the tillage process go through. It will allow aeration between one pocket and another. So we've gone back from the roller tooth itself and dug another hole beside it, so it's not between the teeth at all. And we want to show what happens here. We dug down, and the ground is noticeably wet in here, and we can see seepage starting to come into the bottom of the hole here at about 6 inches down. So if we pour some more water into this neighboring hole here, now we can see water going into the other tooth area here. It's not traveling overland, it's traveling under the cracks that have happened between the two teeth. But down in this neighborhood down here too, you also see how wet that soil is, and the water is actually coming through the subsoil cracks that exist down there. And of course you can see the water going down in the hole where it's being poured rather rapidly. Now you can watch the water coming in here now from this particular tooth. It's seeping in all the way from here, roughly 3 to 4 inches below the surface, but also down at the very bottom of this hole, which is down to the 8 inches below grade down there, where the water is seeping in also. So that gives you an idea of how much of the zone around the tooth can actually absorb water besides just the tooth cavity.